Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Happy New Month to the full house, my people. Thank God we finally made it to December. God bless everyone in the house. Okay, my people, make we enter the matter we carry us come. Our people, una know this lady where they call Evie, aka Kalekwa. She don't finally come outside. Come the guan Kate ODL. No be small matter, no be small thing. I think say maybe they don't start to the play. They don't reconcile. My people. No be small matter, no be small gbege for inside this video you're about to watch. Now between Evie and Kate ODL, husband and Kate, now get this video, my people. No be small matter, no be small gbege as I dey let una know. Evie come as I come Kale everything kwa about Kate ODL. He say he no know say na so Kate ODL be. He no know say Kate ODL na so him be. So Kate ODL fit do this kind thing. She vex for ram. He say he don't get information about Kate ODL. He don't gather all the information about her husband. So Kate ODL, you dey hide every information about your husband. He say invest for Kate. People come dey ask and say, wetin happen? Why you come dey invest for innocent person? You want to cause another kasala for Facebook again? The one where they carry, they go, they never finish am. You want to bring another one? Look the topic where you write, you know write am well. She said no, she know what she dey talk. Kate, Uriye, you don't enter my trap again. I just say I don't forgive you. I never forgive you. I never forgive you. Now people come dey ask and say, this one a prank. I've been waiting. Say not be waiting that they call prank. Prank waiting. Say not be prank. My people say in serious. People come dey ask and say, what did Kate do you? Leave this woman alone. She don't go through a lot. Not be a big deal. The woman don't tire. She go Nigeria, people begin the sagara. She still come back the same thing. You want to carry your own jama. My people, don't be small matter, don't be small big. Before I will give una the full gist what Kate and the husband do, if you know me swag. I beg if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are highly welcome. And to my returnees, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay, my people, as I tell you, as I tell you, so we hear the matter. Now, if you can say, Kate, so now so you just be, I must expose you to din. Like people come they tell us say, now what for you? Leave this lady alone. She don't finally make peace with you people. Leave this lady alone. You understand? So now so the matter they happen. Make gonna come here with ticket do if you need here. It's how many months ago now if you say want to beat Kate again. Now I know say people don't they forgive person. At the end of the story, my people, if you talk and say Kate husband no be Aduro man, as people just they call the man different name, they call a name will not be the man. Oh, he say this man a diploma man. Now diplomatic I take enter Europe. He said the man na embassy person, not be gate man for embassy, not be people where they work for embassy for under sun or under rain. Now inside office, now the man for the work, my people, for embassy for Austria. They say the man get better position for Austria. Now because say he love his wife, now he can resign, follow his wife go Belgium. My people see love. So love be like this. They say the man not be Aduro, not be Lapa Lapa, based on the way Kate and one some presenter they quarrel, they call the husband name, say the man a Muslim. They say the man no resemble Hausa man. The man speak Bini die. The man be like Bini person because they were born and brought up in Bini and then get family house for Bini. Not be small matter, not be small gbege we decide to sing so everybody can open mouth. Now some say Kate no one bring out information about her family because of social media. So if she still talking, people no will believe her. And so it happen, my people. Okay, make I leave and make una enjoy the episode of this video. It too sweet, it too delicious. I beg, make una sit down, make una listen to the full version. Happy view, guys. Please don't forget to on your notification bell and share my video. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I don't know Kate's husband history. Today. Now Austria did for how many years? Somebody come here as I finish video. Long time if you had to watch it just now when you did live video. We did talk. I will they talk. He say, because I measure Kate name. He say that Kate, the husband when she married, where they come they post her picture. Where they come they post a picture. Now the man he really married. Now I say yes. He say he know that man for Vienna. Now I say really. Now I say but now some man now. He say he know her for Vienna. My man come the reason I say you can never see some man for abroad. Since I enter Europe, I never hear her say this person na some man. This girl na some girl. She there for Europe. He not there. Where they for even they see some people. Maybe for London, for America. Then they go school. How come they say Kate husband na unsa and he come all the way from Nigeria, come Austria, come Chopadoro? The thing they baffle me. And the person come tell me say, if now that one be that Kate where they talk, now husband picture where I see. He come and send down to me for WhatsApp. Now say yes, now the husband be this one. He say na unsa man. He say nobody will not know that man for Vienna. He now be hug back up. Can't talk about Zamen Wesha. He pay me for you. Who do I go Kokobiri Agu Webua? Kate, Umaiti Minuya Terminal that from Wedo Webo. Una they listen. Kate husband they work for Nigeria embassy for Vienna for so many years. They carry Kate husband. Kate husband come from Nigeria to Vienna. He was working in Nigeria embassy in Vienna for so many years. They can't imagine no yagwa. I talk her. I say I never see a Usama for Europe. Say come chop a duro. Kate husband come with visa. Don't be say he come reach Austria before he come start the work. He come all the way from Nigeria, come work for Austria embassy, Nigeria embassy for Vienna. Now Kate husband for work for so many years. Nobody will not know her for Vienna. Nobody will not know her for Vienna. It's so much painful. Kate mami no yagwa. Tell her tell that for where. Then say answer people know they come abroad. Or let's say now work now carry the come from Nigeria come Europe. They say Kate's husband come from a very rich family. Oh. He go school where? Now from Nigeria, they forgive her visa, everything. According to what he read for school. Now they take give me wait take come Vienna. Kate's husband. Come work. Come on for Nigeria. Come work for Austria. Nobody when they say no Kate's husband for Vienna. For Austria embassy. For Vienna embassy. For Nigeria embassy for Vienna. I say, I surprised. You know what he? Any Kate in our way say. Kate nothing see man say talk. I tell of other for then your husband the Kokobiri where I me marry here the same level. They say Kate's husband come from a very rich family. Because I say, oh my correct. He can't even get what I can say. Now lie. Now they talk. I'm not sure say this man answer. I never see answer for abroad before we come to Paduro. It's not there. And today they hear say Kate's husband come out all the way from Nigeria. Now embassy. Now for the work for so many years. Nobody will not know for Nigeria embassy for Vienna. They say you not go even know say Kate's husband answer if they talk unless he tell you say na answer man. Unless say he tell you say in a answer man, you not go even know. Well educated, a Kate na wa boawa. Ona gie. Owoke kokobiri. No ya mu ovie Zimbabwe. Dozi e yuwa. Ovie Zimbabwe neseti zebo agmonu. No ze. Eda emo. Ida emo now. You are attacking. You are attacking. Stop attacking. Oh, here go you make one. Stop talking. Don't take to this PP. Or that fun weketi. Then we level that fun na wa boy we man work out. Okay, kapot that man weketi. Now today I dey hear say, oh don't no mu where you waketi. Ebe na gbeya ate yen go worry bene wo na. They say Kate don't know the man. Now because of Kate, now that man come up for Austria. Follow Kate, go Belgium. Not because of documents. Now, all the way from Nigeria, he came here as a worker. Here what that fake Katie of Austria as a worker. I mean, no matter Vienna embassy. He may China. He may tamu. I can't Darren Wesha. I'm so ashamed of you. So my team nu ya gwa. My team you nu ya gwa. Nu gwera nu gwegwa we ge. Okay, why la de la video, una de kala mala. Unless na no dey eat mala. No ku wonu la jani. Odolu we o me, iya we talk Nigeria we don win na we bo. Then basi. Da no me kokobibi na name you wa necessity is a pidgin English you know. Una ge aja we ya we wa ku we koda for. Okay, kabod da no my sister. Imagine ruje. I has been saying, if they watch my video just now, na very long time. Now like this since I come abroad, I never come up for Austria, go stay from that country. My one is carry talikba, when I reveal la one who no ki talikba ni lele woyane. My ajemie, no let the whole country yane Europe okay do ade Germany. No. I come down from Nigeria, from Monitor Mohammed Airport. I enter KLM. I transit for Holland for Schiphol Airport. From there, we enter another local train direct to Vienna. Igba. Now Vienna and I plane for drop me. I stay for Vienna for a long time. From Vienna, now I come Salzburg City, where I for meet the father of my children. Before I did leave, so I never transit to another country. Say I want to go Italy, I want to go Belgium. I'm international toto. Imagine an international toto, international prostitute, international igbiagbia. Bene ajemi e la wage obieri yoje. Obieri yo no igbiagbia. Every your family ya gbe yo ya wigbiagbia ya wa gbe. No rara. No big big no hoa. Oh, see, I have been out. So I know many people for this Vienna. Come for this Vienna. Not come as when you come. Or maybe call Austria Burgers. You say hope. You say hope. I say, I know hope now. No, call those people who don't spend 17, 18 years for a year. Now you ask, not come they ask me wait day 5 years. If you say no, if you're not like to talk. If I need Arab burgers, Austria burgers, not better than one ask. Like these bros will get me say, if they watch my video, the kids, the husband when they say marry, now cause he say na answer man, now say he say no am for Vienna, now say I dey hear say na Austria dey, but I don't know this that ever seen. Say no am now, he say he can't they describe Kate husband to me where. Who know they go Nigeria embassy where no Kate husband? He will send Kate husband a picture to me because me I be say no, maybe not be him. He will send the picture to me. Kate husband worked in Nigeria embassy for so many years. Now because as he take me fake, now he come on. Now because of Kate, now he come on, go Belgium. Kate husband no come chop a do for Austria. He come with working paper. He come Nigeria embassy. They say Papa get money. I talk her. He now where any of your son no do area do. He may near there. In London, I'm about million sa who and get all the power. Although yes, I'm a bomb baby on it. A ketty mammy no yata, where gave no more that fear and the Austra. Yeah, what I, a cut you, you're been on that one, you're been on that one, or my tea go or that besha, no dinner, or mammy no yati nowhere. Very educated man, I get 10 on. They say if Kate Osman not saying man, they say you will never know. Very educated. They say he was a very nice man in Nigeria embassy in Vienna. Why no, Nico? Nico was my first boyfriend in Austria. Go ask her. Now Nico buy my first Nokia phone for me where I knew entire Europe. You tell Nico, you say Josie, you say hope with for Austria. Nico was my first boyfriend in Austria. You understand? As I hear him, I fool. I say, what? Eketi mana mi nu ya gun. Eketi be la di on me do aje. They call her husband. Outside wife. Outside the coffee come unless you know the chop lama. Kate, I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you. Say, no mwe koko bibi jo wa. Negwaze note you are talking. Why are you talking? Leave them alone. You are taking. Oh, go. Or that fungwe no wa yesuku. No ke Nigeria day with a visa or ball. So when we now, the Nigeria embassy no issue a passport in them. Wait, umami unu. That na don't tell me now. Oh, ma se ba. Ra no do gwa yemi. Why I think gwa yo? When I think like Janu, where don't time I go where get bored on no me. He got that door me. He got door. Now ye been all the way from Nigeria. No don't win away. Nigeria embassy the webo. Agiye ke Nigeria they no don't win na. The Nigeria embassy. Umaya ti gwa. Why there? Now they call her lama unless now they lama. Keti lamo wo. When you're here. All this guy saga with all this guy talk with the talk. Yeah, we go you can't like it because I the dress for you now. Oh, well, we make it everywhere here. We make it go nu. We make it go nu. Ah, we go to saga. Why lama no unless you except you baby lama everywhere travel no. Eke no dafu we mudia yiketi o dafa yemi amudia bani o daren we gbe my sister ito oge ma we unda mo ivie iwa ka lo me noje u modia gbata igbe ye gi han gbe ye dia. I say the way it is. Ana ati o ma lama the Facebook na when am we lama no ma o dafa yemi o lama ruta. Eke no bibi mo hun da ejo talking we no marry una o no in Nigeria a Nigerian no is a Nigeria is speaking English here go that or that fake keti omo na tama wo ya un sanye hin unwe a graduate they say he came from a very rich family, a very rich and when no family, he not come Euro culture paduro. We get him no yata. Oh, you like yoga nyenya o bagba. Oh, saloboa. Even water, uma kita si so many mosi. Ajemi no huwa. Oh, wala dia. Don't know lama. Don't know lama on Facebook, you know. Ajemi o lama. You are married to a Nigerian man. A well-educated man that came all the way from Nigeria. Come work for Nigeria embassy. You are supposed to be. No, are you okay? When I hear her just now, Daddy cool. Go university for this abroad. He graduates. And Ari ate la video presenter si. Ni rogodo. Aize daddy cool. Ari oda from where ba umami nu ya ta. Umami nu ya ta. Wa gbe wa uma me ma oda for the sanga we u. Ajemi. Hell. Oma, o boy ati le kuku. Oda. Ejewani go no wo kan ya gbe wo ye vivie kwa na. Ako. Enya ale no gbe yan ale. Enya ale. Ogbanya ale. Ai no so no. Eden wo wa gushi ni. Congrats. Eden wo wa do yin ani. Ede we fa. Ede we opopo la yan gbe. Awa no so no. We gboko. We wa kokulu tepa. So kwa o we mu my sister. Eron obi mo my sister. We me ti do je. They know that for ya la we bo in winner no winner. And love you know that for we no we. In wa say on na stopping winner. On na stopping winner embassy. On na lele wa be Belgium. U marry bene. No be can give a husband document oh. Where they talk they go so. The man came with document all the way from Nigeria to Austria. To come work for embassy. Not be saying don't come here before he can't go to work for embassy. He came all the way from Nigeria to Austria to come work for Nigeria embassy. Erita, oh yami ya, unuya kwa misi kanya we. Oh iwe ba iwe ho. They even say this case government they call unsama so. Kate husband family house there for Benin. They get family house for Benin. Kate husband grew up in Benin. He know everything for Benin. Kate never said anything about it. Your in-law, Kate, they'll come from north. In-law, family members, when they say family, they'll come from north, come Benin. Pata, 2 hours, 3 hours. Now you reach. No man, we go, yeah. I am your who get Kokobiri no over. Eh, what is Zimbabwe, Paria, la, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, or Vienna. Every time I get me, bell, or no bell. Or no, who I know. That or is there import way leya or maybe not where but lemon me or my one nowhere muere na de magaro on a rimona ya muye kokobiri bo agbe won iya ri gbe ari ye kokobiri iya wi agbuke be. No, I'm so my people when I'm not fair say I dey talk to Kate like this. You understand? She's not my enemy. But I need to say the truth. I'm so disappointed at Kate, Say she no fit even come out, can't talk this thing one day. She not come out, don't worry. Oh, now, me that Jamie no down your and all the fear with you, but all the fear with you. You have never said it one day without that from where a visa yak in Nigeria, embassy on our own in Vienna. You have never said it, my sister. Wala wo. Ene na wonu okeke nu nu omo ade oye dore sese unu e de tata ene de wonu e geri ade wonu e se nu we aya simio se ge ne gbugbo eniyan nu aya tala dia. Maybe you want I don't want to bring my husband come out, you don't want to bring your husband come out, you don't want to bring your husband come out. Yage ni amune a graduate for that matter e ke no da fun we bi we yeketi o da fa ye mi e bi ogwe jo ba biare na wa so ga bia na no ro ai. You must say, I'm going to tell you where you are. Every year, I feel I'm going to tell you where I am. Or that for you, men not here. Talking. Why are you talking? You talking. Oh, you're talking, you're talking. Oh, you may call it Toto. Or that for you, me. Oh, you don't my yemen no more. Oh, well. That's for tattoo. Oh, you Toto, you're Toto. Tattoo. Egg was it. Eze pidgin English. Obubu ayeba. Ayemi to boy. Where ni yo mo evie wuno. Ayemi to boy. Ye me ne kokobiri ni emu yo wagu mi o mi no mi emu ade so de. Ye me no tabo eze pidgin English. Ogbe okoto oke ho. What did you say? Attack. Tato. No one more bada guo jo be there yoni. Iji gabai no mama ajemi mu yo wa no iti odo honey what ye no awa be yo e wa mo I o ka ke de ku amura yemi bi ga yemi we umi ori en ya po iya ori ewe bodo mu here we ona odo ni here ona opia ni e bia na e to be ho won ni ha ma mu go yo hu oh huwa no ye talking here talking no ye to here tatu salova o que tatu eu sabe I Wait, Katie, ya de gbe ohun luwe wa ti da fo lama don't know lama e mu we Katie don't know lama be la video presenter don't know me lama je mi o me lama je mi o degbe no mi gabai koda fu we koda fa ye mi gabai awe oda fu we ohun eredo Uwe buyedo awo na afun ebo be Vienna bo ga hu na embassy Iviedo see me na we owe in there so owe you no go even do say na answer if you dey talk unless say from north he say you will never know owo he do ma we owo zebo oh, you know, if you're a British here, British. Oh, sorry, British. You know, if you're a monabia, we are Charlie. Or monowa Yesukuno, or what with Biawa and Bay, and I may be a visa your boy in Nigeria, and I die your boy. No, they are not appointed. Office, I am the office of the Nigerian embassy. I want office of the. I wear all the Nigerians. Nobody will no more Kate husband. Nigerians. I want why I be over you by Nigerian embassy in Vienna. Or who bought that Katie? He was away. He's a very nice man. I will walk by of your corner. Mundene no kuno be Katie na. Oh, ye nakba. On a lily have a bedjo. Unda Katie. I don't know. Maybe you must always set in your mouth near to tie your strap. Unda o cack when you bedjo. A Katie must set it go on. Amaseti gwabu no wa Keti. Ota me gbe. Eketi maseti do yodo no me inwin na no da fun na maseti yaga ga Facebook. O maseti yaga ga Facebook. O maseti tamagun we odo ni ehun le ga ko we no. We aje gbugbe. Eni no keke. No be ati oda fe mati ga ayemi kia they say that lama don't know what lama Facebook na ayemi kia what lama where you da fu we la dia no say pidgin English na ra no zebo no da fe ayemi kia re umu no miemu de no miemu e gota iye digbo amo Origbo na ma bo origbo abe ti oni origbo de na fi ti oni wo koko bibi old name ni hin ayi gwa le ni opa mu ne igabai old name ni hin ni na gwa le ni opa mu ne oye digbo amo na ye mi ki amu ladi yo e lama I just saw a comment here. Why this thing they just go like that? I'm not the question. Oh, yeah, they go on lama. I want to tell you, honey, anywhere. Talk to me. Oh, Saloba. And I'm a viola ladia. I am a model ladia. Oh, Saloba, what might make him ruge? Anna Wugami. I am a model ladia. I am oh, how much remember we are your daffy Katie. Una atie igabai. Kuwa Keti how mi gabai. How when ya Keti here then how mi ari here. Here on dog we ma home eh. We gize bita national ashawo. Uguze you wefi ala seleleya. Uhe bejon, uhe swizi, uhe grizzly. when they grizzly away to our buyer wood. When they grizzly on our say, and I'm here, una move, una more grizzly. Here I hear 50 cents here wood. And I'm here, oh yeah, grizzly, on a move, on a my call you up. Whoop. I'm on the Bugana, won't be a bastard in America. If you get here, no go, Annie. I don't put me a cabin, no be so, area, here, why, area. Oh, monu webianu weri ekia ni go yokpo wani no ekia hige ebono yo salobwa omera igabayi oti e baba igabayi oti e papa apua o salobwa lola wowo agbon ni rena igwa era me o eri era me o evi kidi je me uwa se be gbe me o era me o imari yo da fi je me imari ya era o imari ye boyfriend me imari ya bibi me o yara gbe boyfriend o ni ki ado ati e bibi me o beni ana ye me ra o ya no o aye me kia Huna wari ekpa, ofia, ekena gakawa yuhe, international prick here, umuye Belgium, international prick here, makarayo, umuye Swiss, international prick here, awuwe muhabi Austria, awe yagbe lejo saloba, uke muhabi Deutschland, uguse Deutschland, uwe zegbeleki international Deutschland yuhe, ona idomi we, no day here kwa, no, ye talking, talking. Other you talking. How way do move you want to do at your door? Okay, what I don't know. Una badajo, eh? Una mo bada you got a nigga bay, no, yo, salo, but one yokuna, Ukboni gabay, yagbada. I jammy wild that Oboki gabay, Oboke melu, Oboke lama, Oboke toso, oh, salo, boane rame. Eke no da fun gwe bi ogwe yeketi o da fe lati ere umie na ye mi kia mu kia ese ti bi ogwe yo easy okay o da fun rere na o finti saga no da fun rere na ogumere owe koko biri name na Lawrence Tafadakwa igwe bi ejo we bi eni I want the fair. Ebati umie. Ne kete ebati ayemiekia no mu awe we ha mi eni. Ume pine yo. Ma pine ya again for. Nini comment teme. Ume pine. Okay, pin. Pin ene no wa bere ni eba. Koko biri ne. Lawrence. O salo bani ya fi ame na tafaswa taho salo bwa yemi kia waya ti eni ni e tafaswa o da feketi. He came from a very responsible family, well educated. He came all the way from Nigeria with a visa, a visa. Ebe visa ge oge yeje e visa ri wina ana ku office oge ke koe ogi ke Nigeria re e de no so wina adera ki office oge ne ogwe bu de love eyin ere ya we leleketi ari Belgium e ma na ye hian te totayi so pa wa ge keti wi ma la costra honda e love ya make e love mo wa yo awe mama agba ma sajo ebi ogo me ga ye me o ije no abaya yuke o aye mi ke iwa pa na wa wiwa o iwa le lori e mi to bi abo no kere odo obi Zimbabwe abi obi zogolo ya we ati ebo ni akere odo o iwa le lo ni sebani iye wa gbe ari mi o ga se le zogolo odo no o wa ba gbon ya gwa le re mo aye mi e ebo after sinu wi ekian ya gwa lera ere iya wo ma yewu iya wo yewe a train station we greasy o ye nwe kan here ba yo moge no nyamo ye mekia ya moge o ye greasy no nyamo ya mo ge o e ga wo wa ye wan yan fi lo go kwa ya mo ge o ya mo ge ma no nya mo ya mo ge o e ya mo ge o ya mo ge ma no nya mo ya mo ge o ya je ba be ya kin bo wa o ya mo ge o ya mo ge ma no nya mo ya mo ge o awa be you aragmo o ma ero mo o mo nu gwe bi kian asa ko gwa me ame mother o mo nu bi kian ma era ujo ye koko biri etafada square e wa ti oda o salo ba etafada square si e no ba we gbege ni e na ti e no ho aragmo uje etafada square o ya hien omo no bi elebo international ashawo international uhe ni ogun agbo wa jemi ogun agbo he nta enu eni awo ma uhe ni to buyen uhe we ajemi ora to gbo uhe ni okin abi agege okin ziga o ya gbo yen gbo nta ulu eni gbe una wa you international ami ovie European no makalu o he una wa importation total importation here total importation here 5 euro u ya de here una we de here kwa we say greasy greasy la won na gbe amudan ana mi go we greasy no train station no wanyo e u do ya mu ona do mu ekono na mu ekono opo omo nu bi ene na o ma mu gie o ya so ye o wi mi o mi nu my people I know they lie. Upo aye mi na mweko. Aye bien. Ya worry, ya when you Vienna so call you. Unda ya wa I know no man. Over no gwe me gwana ga ni me gwe ma okpia na. You know we ma o e. I don't know. No for Vienna. Even Italian people. Or we Italian and Italy. No, do a Italy keke if you worry no do a Italy do our passport in Vienna. I went on my own hero. Me gaje. Deti me ke do ade. Ya boss ene. Unda me gwa to oge. Me no wa yi wa do ta. O na me we ma wo ma gwe. Ya wa hon yi wa ta ife e we bi e. Unless if a boy la wa mi pe. Me ni ba boy la aye mi ki agbe na. He can let you who die here for Kakasi a live video. I wait me while going on. We hear it. Madam. No more work, but radio live video. If you are a kind of weather to your body, you have book, where you may wound it. Why one of whom we have back Bava or wound or witty. So, come here, book where Madam, who died my door, Facebook. A commenter, I hear one more book, man, presenter, I remember more book. Since a fake account, where you can affect no man, baby, with out. Or who walk it that dog. Madam, a sagan house was boo. Why ya go? Oh, you know, a diagno shino. Why ya walk on so well? If we may marry a day or salo boy, I very to have Madam, my woo walking guys sagan betty. Yaje me, when me hear monetize my other page in the khaki. When me hear my woo, who did me, who we are a presenter. Yeah, you got people when they live video. Where, hello my people, mais non,